So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're a new subscriber, thank you for coming back to my channel. So in today's video, I just want to do this easy smoky eye look with this glossy lip. And yeah, that is what I'll be doing in this video. Make sure I give it a thumbs up and thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys. So to start up, I'll do my brows. I already have a brow tutorial, so check that out. Then I'll also be prepping my eyelid for my eyeshadow with this concealer. After that, I am going to be taking the Zaron palette, using this shade as my transition shade. And I'll also dip in my crease with this shade. Make sure to blend that in. To get that brown effect, you need a brown brow gel. And I'm using this Hagi and Esther brow gel. Make sure you pat that in, you tap that in. And also set it with this dark brown eyeshadow. So I'm just patting that in and making sure I blend like the edges. Taking a smaller detailed brush, I'm going to be using the both shades I use for my transition and my crease, and I'm just going to make sure I blend out the edges of my eyeshadow. So you have to keep on blending so it looks like this. Yeah. So I applied the white eyeliner, and now to the base, I'm going to start off with this moisturizer, and I am just applying it on my face and rubbing that in. After which I'll go in with the Milk primer. This is a face primer just to prep my skin for my foundation and everything I'll apply on that. Blow that to dry up. So I'm using this Newborn Beating foundation, and I'm just going to blend that into my skin. I'll also be taking the ENQUIRIES Cosmetics concealer to highlight my face. So you know the drill, the normal places where you highlight, that is what I'm just doing, and I'm blending that out with a small detailed brush. Going to use the Zara concealer, and I like applying this on my hand, warm it up, then use a brush like place it on my face because it's a little bit too red and I don't want it to be like too much on my face. So that's why I place a bit on my hand before putting it on my face with the brush. So I'm just using that to contour my face. And you also use a beauty blender to like blend everything together. So I'll be taking this ENQUIRIES powder palette, and I'll take the lighter shade just to set my highlighted areas. And I'll take the darker shades to bronze up my face. So I'll also set my whole face with my setting powder. And for my lips, I'll be using my brow pencil. I'm just going to use that to line my lips. Then I also added a black kajal. This is from Maybelline. So I just added that on top and blended it out with my brush. Then for lip gloss, I'll be using the ColourPop So Glossy. It has that red things to it. So I'll be setting my whole face. And for highlighter today, I'll be using the Candy Glow by Yanga Beauty. And just highlighting the normal places I would usually highlight. This is my blush from Zaron Cosmetics, and I'm just using that to blush up my face, just to add a little bit of blush to my face. I also blush my nose, yes. So yes guys, that is the end of this video. This is a really easy look you can get done in like 30 minutes. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up, make sure you like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one.